did you know that you can change your coach on chess.com? And if you didn't know, I'm going to show you in a few simple steps how to do that. Now, if you're playing chess.com and you're tired of the same old voice or coach that you have there, then you can change it up to have someone else. So to do that, you want to go ahead and sign into your account first and foremost and click the settings gear on the lower left. From here, click in all settings as you can see. And from here, you want to look for coach in the list and click on that. You can see right away that it basically shows me who I have and you can hear the voices. So you can choose between different coaches right here. So if I want to choose, for example, Ben, he sounds pretty cool, right? You can even try, let's try Danny and see. Yeah, that's pretty cool as well. You can try me. Yeah, so you have a bunch of different options here, guys, that you can choose. Let's try Vishy. Nice to meet you too, Vishy. All right. So you see you have a bunch of options, guys, that you can actually use. So if you want to change your coach, this is where you can go to basically change those coaches on chess.com.